Today I am going to embroider this simple design. I have taken 3 strands of thread and I am going to do long and short stitch. It is a very simple stitch. You just have to do this. A very simple stitch. Just do not leave too much gap between two stitches. That is all. You must start from the center of the flower. First complete one side and then you will go to the other side of the petal. It's a very simple stitch. I have completed this side of the petal. Now I am going to do the other side of the petal in the same way. After completing the petals, I will do the center of the flower using chain stitch. I have taken white thread, a very simple stitch. That is all, a very simple stitch. Take the needle to the center of the stitch, pick up a little bit, put the thread around. That's all. Again, needle through the center of the stitch, the thread round, pull up the thread, come to the end, put the thread down. That's all. A simple stitch. For the stems, I am going to use this green thread and simple stem stitch I am going to do. Simple stem stitch. Just pick up a little bit and pull up the thread. That's all. For all the stems which are there, the same stem stitch I am going to do. I am going to use this shade of green for the leaves. I will do simple satin stitch. Just simple satin stitch I am going to do. That is all. Simple satin stitch. After completing the leaf with satin stitch, this portion I am going to do stem stitch using this shade of green. I have taken 3 strands of thread. For stem stitch, your thread should always be on the left hand side, the central line over here. For both the leaves I am going to do the same thing. That's all. I will do this flower using lazy daisy stitch. You start from here, put the needle down, go till the edge, put the thread round the needle and put it down. That's all. Again, you start from here. Go to the edge, put the thread round the needle, pull the needle, go down. Again, you start from here. That's all. A simple stitch which is known as the lazy daisy stitch. That is all. For this portion, I have done stem stitch for the outline. For the inside, just from here, you just come down. Come up from here once again. And just on the stitch, not on the cloth, like buttonhole stitch. On the stitch and not on the cloth. It's like buttonhole stitch. Simple. That's all. That is all, and put the needle down. Just one more line I will do over here. That is all. That's all I will do. One more line over here. For the flowers, I have taken white thread. I'll start from here, just go down, come up from here, come over here, that's all. I will do this for all the petals. That's all. I'll do this for all the other flowers also. For this flower, I will do a bit differently. Pick up from here, go down, again pick it up, go down, and again pick it up from here. That's all. This is how I am going to use the white for this flower. That is all. After completion, the design will look like this. If you have liked my video tutorial, then kindly like, share and subscribe.